Hi, I'm Alex with ClassHook here to show you automatic profanity skipping. Sometimes you come across the perfect video only to find that it has profanity. With automatic profanity skipping, you can still safely show that video to your class without worrying about inappropriate language or accidental slips. Let's get started. First, find a clip that contains profanity. I'm going to find a clip from Fight Club that has some. Next, once you've found the clip, you will scroll to the bottom where the CC button is, subtitle settings, and then click the toggle that says skip profanity. This will automatically skip past the profanity indicated on the clip. So the first instance of profanity is at 29 seconds. I'm going to go to that moment in the video, and you'll see it will automatically skip past the 29-second mark. As you can see, the video just skipped to avoid the profanity. And it's as simple as that, just that one toggle, and you've enabled automatic profanity skipping on ClassHook.